90-90 hip rotation with a bend or flexion. So you're gonna start with your feet outside of shoulder width so that you can drop one knee down inside that foot, 90 degrees here, 90 here. From here, I'm going to hinge. Come back up and hinge. Big exhale. Go as low as you can. Control this. If you need support, you can actually put your hands down to get here. And this might be all you get. Just driving in, opening up that hip, and then hinge. You might find you have to push yourself back on this one because you're going to start to wiggle and move yourself across the room. That's 90-90.